B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
C for cat.
C for cat. D for T.
E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes.
Teacher ఎగురుతుందా? H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for bed lamp.
M for monkey.
N
N
for
for
nest.
nest.
O for owl. ఇది చూడు మొఖం.
P for pea.
P for parrot. Q. Q ఉందడా? కింద క్యూ లేదా అని ఎల్లో కలర్.
ఇక్కడ ఒక
Q for
Q for
tail.
tail.
R.
R.
S for R.
R.
S for socks.
S for socks. మంచిగా చెప్పకపోతే S for socks.
S for socks. S
X
for
for
T for
T for T for
T
T
for
for T for teddy. U for umbrella.
V for
V for van.
W for watch.
Watch.
X for
X for xylophone.
Y for Y for
Y for yak.
Z for Z లేదు పోయింది. Z for